Today is February 12th. This is the first real snow we've had. And Kayla is pulling Maya in the sled.
Are you videotaping?
I am.
Awesome.
Say hi.
Hi.
Maya, you having fun, Maya?
She doesn't look like it.
And we got Bella back there.
Whee!
Woohoo!
I need some help. With what? The snow castle? What are you doing? Standing.